Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, Nigeria is restructuring before our very own eyes, and this restructuring is taking place despite the best will and the best actions of Malam Buhari and his cabal. There's an organic restructuring taking place in Nigeria, and it's a restructuring that is born out of necessity. So we had the Amotekun narrative a few months ago, and that is taking shape. So now again in the southwest we go. As guys, I bring you this. Southwest governors shut down borders and entry points in 6 states. So effectively Yorubaland is now closing its borders effectively, is what this narrative is all about, at least the headline. Again, Southwest governors shut down borders / entry points in 6 states. So now let's now see what Yorubaland is up to this time around. The Southwest Governors Forum has announced a unanimous decision to shut down borders in all 6 states of the region. This was contained in a statement signed by the chairman of the forum and Ondo State Governor Rotimi Akeredolu. The governors agreed to the following. So here is a list of what was agreed and what they have all resolved to do together. 1. That as owner state governors, we dissolve the board of directors of Oduduwa Investment Limited with immediate effect. The group managing director should take charge of the conglomerate affairs pending the constitution of a new board. So that's administrative stuff. So the second resolve, so this is the second item that they resolved, that the entry points of our 6 states be closed forthwith to contain the spread of C-19 pandemic. So now that's really where we're looking to hit upon in this particular video. So the third item that they reached an agreement on, that the state governors agreed that people involved in essential services or dealing in medicine, water, and consumable items, in particular traders and market women / men, should endeavor to wear nose masks whilst outside plying their trade to minimize the spread of the deadly virus. Number 4, the governors further agreed that wearing of nose masks will be made compulsory for everyone coming out of their home, effective from Friday the 25th April 2020 in their respective states. So a lot of administrative stuff, but the point I wanted to hit upon, of course, is that Yorubaland has closed its borders. So the Igbos can for the moment stay in their region, but if you're in Yorubaland, you are welcome to stay, so nobody's kicking you out. But if you're outside of Yorubaland, for the moment, stay in your region. The Hausa Fulani person, if you are in Yorubaland, you are welcome to stay. But if you are in your region, for the moment, stay in your region. And any foreigners, of course, can stay wherever it is that their locality is. But effectively, Yorubaland is on lockdown. So now this restructuring now is taking shape now, because regions now, and especially the southwestern regions, are now making collective decisions in the interest of their own people, who they see as their primary concern and their primary constituency. So the Amotekun situation, where we had all these Fulani people coming to raid Yorubaland and form like a mafioso force on the highway, so that Yorubaland it became unmotorable and Yoruba people could not travel within Yorubaland. The Amotekun thing was battered then off the back of that, and in response rather to that. So effectively a Yoruba force is what that Amotekun is, and you all know that. So now with this now pandemic now, Yorubaland again has now reached to protect its own, to then say, okay, we close all our borders, because you cannot tell us that we should not close our borders in the face of this pandemic. So we're closing all our borders to contain within ourselves and then resolve these things within ourselves, so that we can take them measures to rescue our people and to guide them through this period that the world is going through, because our primary concern, of course, is to our own people, or people living within our own region. So Restructuring, whether you like it or not, it is taking shape now, and this is another coloration off the back of that Amotekun situation that we had earlier in the year. Conversations in the comment section, the Yoruba people are saying thank you, but don't visit for the moment. What says you? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it on screen. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this now organic restructuring that is taking shape within the Nigerian superstructure in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here, I say, peace.